Welcome back, learners. Today's topic is creating templates in Django, step-by-step guide. Django templates help separate the design HTML from the backend logic. Let's go through the process of creating and organizing templates step by step. Setting up the templates directory. Step 1, create a templates folder. Inside your Pulse app directory, create a folder named templates. We open the folder of our project. Inside Pulse, we create new folder. Name it Tempelates. Enter. Step 2, edit a subfolder for your app. We name it Pulse. Inside the templates folder, create another folder named Pulse. Right click, new folder, name it Pulse. Enter. Step 3, create template files. Now create the HTML template files inside the Pulse folder. Right click, new file. We name it index.html. Enter. Again, right click, new file. We name it detail.html. Enter. Now, index and detail.html files created inside all in the subdirectory templates inside Pulse inside full project. Now writing the templates. First, index.html homepage. This template displays a list of questions or a message if no questions are available. We write the following code. Opening curly brace, percentage sign, if latest underscore question underscore list percentage sign and closing curly brace, angle bracket, ul, opening curly brace, percentage sign, for, we're writing for loop, for question in latest question list, percentage sign, angle bracket, e bracket, h ref equal double quote curly bracket percentage sign URL detail question dot id. We close it and now we open double curly brace question dot question underscore text space closing double brace. We close I element for hyperlink and li element. Now curly brace percentage sign int for else statement we No pools are available. Finally, in if statement. This template first checks if there are any questions available. If there are, it displays them as a clickable links. Otherwise, it shows a message indicating that no polls are available. Inside index.html, we also added h2 latest question, curly brace, person sign, for question in latest question list. We close it, angle bracket p, question text, opening curly brace, percent, sign and empty statement, and we closing it. After that, angle bracket p, no questions available. We close it. And finally, opening curly brace, presenting sign. Next, detail.html, question details page. This template shows a specific question and its choices. Page 1, double brace, question, dot, question, underscore, text, closing double brace, then opening UL statement, for choice in question dot choice underscore set dot on, closing curly brace, list statement, double curly brace, choice dot choice underscore text space, and closing brace. Now writing in for statement. After that, we should save the update in the detail.html file. Now updating, we used to use templates. Inside Polus, we open views from Django dot shortcuts import render from dot modules import question defining index request latest underscore question underscore list equal question dot objects dot order by single quote hyphen pub underscore date 5 return render request comma single quote polus / index dot html comma opening curly brace single quote latest question list latest question list. Now we save these updates. Now updating the detail view. Modify the detail function to render the detail.html template. From Django.shortcuts import get objects or 404 render From .models import question, define detail request, comma, question underscore ID equal get object or 404 error message question, comma, pk equal question ID return render request, comma, single quote false / detail.html, comma, open curly bracket question. After these updates in views.py, we should save it. After we define index and detail, we also define results to display the results of a specific question. Request, comma, question ID, question equal get object or 404, question, comma, pk equal question ID, return render request false results.html. And after that, we define vote request, comma, question ID, question equal get object or 404, question, comma, pk equal question ID, select underscore choice equal question dot choice underscore set dot filter, pk equal request dot post dot get choice dot first. If not select choice, return render request, comma, false details dot html. Question is question, an error message. You didn't select a choice. For increment the vote and save the choice, select underscore choice dot vote plus equal 1, select underscore choice dot save, and return redirect false results, comma, question underscore ID equal question ID. Instead of writing fixed URLs, use Django's URL tag in your templates for better flexibility. Now testing your templates. To check if your templates are working correctly, then Python manage.py run server. Best practices. Follow these best practices to keep your project clean and maintainable. First, use get underscore object underscore or underscore 504 to avoid errors when retrieving objects. Second, always use URL Django tags instead of hard-coded links. And organize templates in subdirectories to keep things clear and scalable. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can create well-structured templates that separate design from logic. This helps in making your Django application easier to maintain and scale.